Now, students of class 10, good morning. I'm your teacher Hardeep Singh. You are watching channel Hardeep Maths and Physics. As usual, I request you to keep regular your studies. Now, I'm going to explain exercise 3.2 chapter 3 linear equation in two variables. We have earlier discussed in previous video up to question number 2. I again explain question number 2. Now we'll move to our copy. On comparing the ratios A1, A2, B1, B2 and C1, C2, find whether the line representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point or parallel or coincident. Two equations are there. First is 5x minus 4y equals to 8 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Here comparing with the standard general form of equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a1 equal to 5, b1 equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 8. For second equation a2 equal to 7, b2 equal to 6 and c2 equal to minus 9. Now a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, we have to calculate the values of these ratios and compare it. a1 upon a2 is 5.7, b1 upon b2 is minus 4.6. 5.7 is not equal to minus 4 upon 6, and we know that when a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then lines are intersecting. So the answer is lines are intersecting. Now its second question, second part, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Find the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 according to the given in question. a1 equal to 9, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to 12, a2 equal to 18, b2 equal to 6, c2 equal to 24. Find the values of ratios 9 upon 18, 3 upon 6, 12 upon 24. Simplify it 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And we know that when a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then the lines are parallel. I hope you can able to understand it. If you have any problem, then ask in comments. We are moving to question number 3. Find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. 2x minus 3y equal to 8, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3 and c1 equal to 8. 4x minus 6y equals to 9, that is the second equation. A2 equal to 4, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to 9. Compare as per previous question. We get 2 by 4 minus 3 by 6, 8 by 9. Simplify it 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 8 by 9. Here we saw a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2. So the lines are coincident, means consistent lines. When the lines are coincident or intersecting, they will consistent. If the lines are parallel, they will inconsistent. Here lines are coincident, so that is the consistent lines. Now we will move to question 3, third part. That question is in the form of fraction. 4 by 3x plus 2y equals to 8 and 2x plus 3y equal to 12. There is a simple linear equation and there is a linear equation in the form of fraction. Variable is fraction. So firstly we have to move the denominator by equalizing the denominator. 4 by 3x, let 2 by 1y equals to 8, multiply by 3 equalizing the denominator. 4x plus 6y upon 3 equal to 8, that 3 is dividing here. When we shift it to other side, it will multiply. 4x plus 6y equal to 24. Here a1 equal to 4, b1 equal to 6 and c1 equal to 24. Now 2x plus 3y equal to 12. a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 3, c2 equal to 12. We will move to second page. Now a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Put the values as per previous question. 4 by 2, 6 by 3, 24 by 12. Simplify it. That will 2 by 1, 2 by 1 and 2 by 1. Here we saw a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. So lines are parallel, and when parallel lines are there, then it will inconsistent. Now third part, fourth question. Check the equation whether they are consistent or inconsistent. If consistent, solve graphically. Graphically method I have explained in previous exercise. You have to adopt the same method. X plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 8, a1 equal to 1, b1 equal to 1 and c1 equal to 5 from first equation. From second equation we get a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to minus 1 and c2 equal to 8. Here we saw when put the values in a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, a1 upon a2, 1 upon 1, b1 upon b2, 1 upon minus 1 is not equal to each other. So intersecting lines are there. Now lines are intersecting. As per question, we have to solve it graphically. From first equation, x plus y equal to 5. That means x equal to 5 minus y. In each time we have to put the values. X equal to 5 minus y. Make the box. If y equal to 1, put the value of y 1, then x equal to 5 minus 1, that means 4. If y equal to 5, then x equal to 5 minus 5, that means 0. If y equal to 10, then x 5 minus 10 minus 5. So the coordinates are 4 comma 1, 0 comma 5, minus 5 comma 10. Keep in mind students, we have to write first value of x because x is considered as abscissa, and abscissa in coordinates always written at first place. Now second equation, x minus y equal to 8. So x equal to 8 plus y, put the values same. You have to adopt same method. Y equal to 1, x equal to 8 plus 1. Put the value of y here. Each time 8 plus 1, 9. When y equal to 5, then x equal to 8 plus 5, 13. When y equal to 10, then x equal to 8 plus 10, 18. So the points are 9 comma 1, 13 comma 5, 18 comma 10. We have to give the name D, E, F. And at the first equation, we have to give the name A, B and C. Now show A, B, C, D, E, F on the graph as per explained in first part of the question. Now next question, question number 5. Half of the perimeter of rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Half of the perimeter of rectangular garden. There is a comma. Now this statement is separate, and this statement which we round is connected with this statement. Half of the perimeter. Let the width depends on the length depends on the width, so we have to assume width is x unit. So as per question, length is 4 meter long than width, then x plus 4. Perimeter, half of the perimeter, that means perimeter by 2. We know that perimeter of a rectangle 2 into length plus breadth. Half of perimeter 2 by 2, 2 and 2 cut, length plus breadth equal to 36. Put the value of length x plus 4, put the value of breadth x, that become 2x plus 4 equal to 36, 2x equal to 32, x equal to 16 meters. So the length is x plus 4, that means 16 plus 4, 20 meters. That is the first answer. So the length is 20 meter and the width is 16 meter. Okay, I hope you can able to understand these all questions. If you have any query, then ask in comments. Please like, subscribe the channel if not subscribed till, and share to other of your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.